Hi everybody, welcome to the Midnight Coder. What I'll be demonstrating today is how to install PnP PowerShell. What PnP PowerShell is a module that allows you to do a lot of administrative tasks automatically, such as site creations on SharePoint Online and some administrative commands on your computer. So what I'll do is I'll install it right away. I'm going to paste in the command in order to download and install it. So the command that you'll need to type out is, first of all, you have to open a PowerShell window on your Windows, usually a Windows 10 computer. You can do it on Windows 7, Windows 8, whatever you have, but Windows 10 is preferable. So if you type in install-module SharePoint PnP PowerShell Online and press enter. And I'll press Y to accept the download. And as you can see, it started installing. And it seems to have completed. That was a fast download. Well, thank you everybody, and I hope you come back to the next video and I'll show you how to use it. Thank you. Bye-bye.